Hey you guys, it's Naturally Ann here and I'm back with another video. If you've been here before, welcome back Mia More. If you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Oh wait, that's all you really gotta do. But yeah, subscribe to my channel, whatever. But y'all, I got my nails done for the first time since like 2018 over the weekend. And like I just been doing a lot of extra stuff with my hands because you know, they cute. Not the right color for the season, still very here for it. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. So, today is Ash Wednesday. If you are Christian, you know, you're hip to what that is. It's the beginning of Lent. And for Lent, I am giving up smoking. I'm giving up watching television. That's probably just a really easy one because I really don't watch TV that much, but the reason I'm giving up that is because I feel like a lot of the things that we watch and take in can really steer our minds from what really matters. So there's that. So television, I'm also giving up social media, and that's kind of why I'm here to talk about that, because I'm kind of in between giving up YouTube and not giving up YouTube. But I feel like if I give up everything else, it might help me with YouTube more. But I also watched, what's her name? Erin on Demand. I watched Erin on Demand's video today, and she was talking about how basically being authentically you on YouTube is kind of what helps you engage with your subscribers and, you know, allow people to get to know you. So like that's where I'm at with that. Like I want to be honest about who I am and things like that. Like, you know, I'm not necessarily letting people in my business, but it's like if I learn something, if I experience something, I'm sharing it because that's what life is about. Like when you go through things, you share your experience with someone else so that you can help them either get through their thing, or just help them avoid making the same mistakes that you did. Like that's what I believe. So I'm giving up social media with the exception of YouTube, because YouTube also has, you know, just helpful things, and I want to learn a lot of things, so I kind of need YouTube. So smoking, TV, social media, and what else did I say I was giving up? Oh, cussing. I said I was giving up cussing. That's going to be the hardest thing for me to give up, if we're being honest. Let me refer back to the tweet that I made. I had to screenshot it to remind myself. Oh, so yeah, that's all I was giving up. Oh wait, no. I low-key wrote it down in my journal. I feel like, oh, and then the thing that I'm adding, since I'm not going to be on social media very much anymore, I added Duolingo to my Lents, because the thing is you can add or give up something. So I'm going to start like practicing Spanish and whatnot. Like I took Spanish while I was in classes. When I was in classes. I took Spanish when I was in college, and you know, I got an A or whatever. But like I can't like fluently speak it. Like I can't even like really understand it. I only know the basics because I only took Spanish 101 and I didn't like go on to 102 or 201 or whatever. Like I didn't move up. So today, like to keep off of social media, I've been like every time I felt the need to get on social media, I just went on Duolingo and I did a lesson. So yeah, that's helpful. So yeah, this is a part of my spiritual journey as well, because a part of Lent is also like praying every day and things like that. And one of the Bible plans that I did recently was like teach us how to pray. So that's one thing that I'm kind of trying to practice a little bit more, because I feel like I don't know how to pray effectively. I just kind of, you know, pray for things, you know, the basics. Thank you, God, for all that you do. God bless my family, bless my friends, keep me safe, keep me healthy. Like the basics. And you know, that's very important. But, you know, pray stronger, pray harder, like go hard or go home. That's how I feel. So I keep saying that's how I feel, but that's how, you know, I'm looking at it and stuff like that. So yeah, Lent begins today, ends on April 9th, so that's kind of a long time. And part of the reason why I'm giving up social media as well is because I feel like I let it take a lot of my time. I let it affect my mind, just like consuming things from television and consuming things from social media and all the opinions of other people in the outside the surrounding world. It's just not healthy. It's just not healthy. So I'm trying to refresh my mind and rest my mind and refresh myself. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this journey. I'm looking forward to, you know, who I am after all of this, because I tried to give this stuff up in the summer, y'all. Honestly, I tried to give it up in the summer, and that's not a good time to be giving up all that stuff. And also, while I'm here, I would like to talk about my vision board. So let me grab that for a quick second. So can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? So on Sunday, February 16th, my mom and I held a vision board party. You know, I have an organization called She Empowers Me. You guys can follow me on Instagram at She Empowers Me. I think it's .Detroit, but I'm going to have to check to make sure so I don't give you the wrong name. And yeah, we host events sometimes. I'm saying sometimes because we haven't been consistent with it lately, but we're trying to be consistent with it you know, more this year, because we did good in 2018. We did good. We started off with mother-daughter tea parties for Mother's Day and stuff like that. So we're trying to expand and do more events because she's an event planner, and she told me, what's an event planner that ain't planning events? And I was like, period, sis. So yeah, so we planned a vision board party, and it was really nice. Like, she put a whole presentation together. I wish that I kind of recorded the whole thing, but she's like me. She's like a little nervous and shy sometimes when it comes to speaking in front of people. So that's why I told her, like, I was just gonna do the vision board thing as a YouTube video, but I never did it as a YouTube video. So now here I am to talk about my vision board while also relating it to Lent a little bit. I also made a really long Facebook post. You have to be my friend on Facebook to see that. But it's about this corner up here. Ah! Sorry. This corner up here. This is my life goals, and really my mom, for the vision board party, she kind of just printed out a lot of sayings and quotes. So it's like a quote vision board more than a visual vision board or like a manifestation vision board, which I still do want to make like a manifestation vision board. So excuse me, I have a blank board over there that I'm gonna use. We just got to get some, I think we need color ink, but at the same time we got all these other colorful elements that I can add to the board to make it colorful, because all the stuff that she printed out was black and white anyway, and it still came out really cute. Like, this is my vision board as a whole, and that's cute. I like how I did that. But okay, let me get into it. So up here is my life goals, and it says make a positive impact, get rid of limiting beliefs, collect beautiful memories, find inner peace, gain self-confidence, pursue things I'm excited about. These, like, when I saw this on the table, I was like, bro, what? Like, this is literally like what I'm trying to do. But I feel like this is kind of like what everybody's trying to do, maybe. I don't know about you, but I know I am. I was like, okay. Like, make a positive impact. That's why I started a YouTube channel. That's why I teach. That's why I do the things that I do. Like, I'm a teacher. I'm a dancer, dance teacher. Like, I like to make people happy. Yeah. Get rid of limiting beliefs. I mentioned before on my channel how I be doubting myself a lot, and like, I'm getting over that, especially since I've started reading the Bible and reading these very, very good Bible plans. And I promise y'all, I'm not trying to like convert y'all or like tell y'all to read the Bible and stuff, although I do 10 out of 10 recommend, because it's like when you're feeling so lost and you just can't talk to anybody and nobody is understanding what you're going through or what you're trying to say, you can easily just look to God, because that's what you're supposed to do. It's literally in there. That's what we're supposed to do. We're not supposed to ask our mom and dad. Like, not saying that you can't do that, but the keys are in there, are in the book. Like, it's in the book. Basic instructions before leaving Earth. That's the acronym for Bible. So very, very, keep that in mind. So yeah, getting rid of limiting beliefs. I'm trying to think of myself in a more positive light. Every time I get a negative feeling about myself, I instantly, okay, put a positive, because there's two sides to everything, positive and negative. And you just gotta, so that's why people just like my energy so much, because I'm all about the positive vibes. I'm not about to sit here and let you just be down all the time, because I've been there. I've just been down and just not been able to get up. But I just have friends that, you know, help me think of myself in a more positive light, or if I'm down, you know, they'll lift me up. But next is collect beautiful memories. Obviously, I am, you know, like into modeling and things, and that's like, I just like taking pictures. I like being behind the camera and in front of the camera. So, you know, just collect beautiful memories. All like pictures tell stories. Like, I just love it. I just love it. Gain self-confidence goes along with get rid of limiting beliefs. So I've been, you know, getting more comfortable with myself. Like, I'm sitting here in my sweatpants and this t-shirt, but my makeup look cute because I was supposed to have a photo shoot today. That's a stressful story, but whatever. Find inner peace. Oh, that goes with the story that I went through today. Like, I just had to find peace within myself. Like, I wasn't able to make it to the photo shoot because it's a crazy, like, snowstorm. Like, it's so much snow outside. I just almost flew away to Kansas when I just went outside to get my phone charger out the car. Like, I can't even drive out there in that, and my car is still broken from the summertime. Like, I was not about to risk my life. I just couldn't do it. But pursue things I'm excited about. I was trying to make it because I was excited about it. I was trying to pursue this thing. But like, everything that I get excited about, I'm really putting it to work. Like, every idea that I get, like, I have so many ideas, guys, but those limiting beliefs, they stop me from putting forth the effort to, you know, get them out. So next to that, we have Way to Glow. Really love that. Looks like a sunflower. I love sunflowers. Next to that, we have Believe in You. Because you always need to believe in yourself. If you don't believe in you, how are you going to expect others to believe in you? Just how? How? Make it make sense. So then underneath my life goals, I have challenge yourself. Because are you growing if you're not, like, challenging yourself? Like, you have to try new things. And, you know, put yourself out there. Whatever is stopping you, like, just attack it with full force. You feel me? Do that ish. And under that, I have She Empowers Me Detroit. I haven't exactly figured out, like, what I want, like, a logo or whatever to look like. But this was kind of a good idea, like, with the big E. And then, like, I don't know. I like how it looks on here, especially my handwriting. And then next to that, we have Stick With It. And underneath it says, small business isn't for the faint of heart. It's for the brave, the patient, and the persistent. It's for the overcomer. Keep that word in mind. Overcomer. Because we can overcome all things. You know why? You can overcome challenges. Okay? You can. Because you have the power. Do you hear where I'm going with this? You have the power. And then, under Believe in You, your limitation. It's only your imagination. If you can imagine all the cool things you can do and still tell yourself, oh, no, I can't. Like, what? No, yes, you can. Don't even put that no, you can't in your head. Keep in mind that you can. And the more you keep in mind that you can, the more likely that you will. I'm preaching to y'all today. Moving on. Next I have She's a Dreamer, a Doer, a Thinker. She sees possibility everywhere. What'd I just tell y'all? And then right here next to my Stick With It, you see my kiss emoji? It's so cute with the heart eye emoji. Self-love journey strength. My self-love journey leads me to having the strength to overcome challenges. Bro, I really put this thing together. Over here on the bottom corner, we have all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. And Walt Disney said that. I think I just got some makeup on there. And then right here I have dance happy with a happy face. Happy face emoji because dancing makes me happy. And then good vibes only, because that's all I'm about. Positive vibes only. And then I have my YouTube channel right here, Naturally Am. Look at my YouTube logo. I wrote that really well. I drew that real nice. I just hit myself in the head. Can you see it? YouTube. It wasn't a red Sharpie to do it with, so I had to do it with black. And my triangle is a little smaller than it had to be, but that's a pretty solid YouTube logo. And over here I have Dream. I figure if a girl wants to be a legend, she should go ahead and be one. Just do it like Nike. That's all. That's basically what this vision board says. Just go for it. You gotta go for it. You gotta GOFORIT. If you was a cheerleader, you hip to that cheer. But yeah, this is my vision board. I look at it every morning because this is my bed and it's sitting right over there in the corner. I would show you the corner, but I still haven't painted my wall. And I'm not going to finish painting my room until the summertime, honestly, because I'm not about to just have these windows open in the cold. But yeah, I love vision boards. I will be making another one. If you would like for me to make this vision board into a YouTube video, let me know down in the comments. If you have a vision board, let me know how you make yours. And you know, still share y'all goals with me. That was my giveaway that I was doing. If you share a goal with me and share my channel, then you're entered into the giveaway. Still no one has entered into the giveaway. I don't know. The 5 people, low-key was probably only 4 people that commented on the IGTV video, and honestly, I'm not pressed, but I do feel kind of bad because I reached out to the owners of the companies that I was going to buy from, letting them know that I would be buying something from them, and I haven't done it yet. One, because your man's has been going through it financially, if we're being 100% honest. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Out here trying to keep it real, like Aaron on Demand said. I really enjoyed that video I watched earlier. She literally uploaded it today, and I was just like, sis, you make me feel like I'm not failing in life, so thank you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share with me your vision board ideas. I would love to hear about them. If you're giving up something or adding something to your life for Lent, let me know in the comments if you feel like it. Be sure to leave a big thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. So this is the corner that my vision board is in, and I forgot that part, and it won't focus. There we go. What comes easy won't last. What lasts won't come easy. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Very important information. Okay, that's it.